Finally got it put together. But I have one question. Are you supposed to have screws left when you're done? Because I have two. Hello everyone, how are you? And I am so excited to be sharing, finally, my bar cart. I know I'm late to the game. I know bar carts have been around now for a while. I got this bar cart right before the flood in my house. And as you know, it took 14 months to get everything back into this house. So, after the 14 months, I finally put it together probably about, I don't know, maybe 5 months ago. And I have a couple pictures I'll probably insert of me putting it together. Okay, I can't believe that it's almost done. I did it by myself. It only took me 14 months, but I did it. Anyway, I finally have it decorated for Valentine's. And this bar cart I don't know why I'm on this kick of things reminding me of Disneyland. If you looked at my video that I did 2 videos ago, my first one for Valentine's, when I was decorating the candles, that purple one reminded me of Disneyland. And this does too. And you know what I think it is? I finally figured it out. Because I kept thinking, why is my mind going to Disneyland when I look at this? Meaning this bar cart right now. It reminds me of, for everyone that's gone to Disneyland, Disney World, you know in the Carnation building where they have the ice cream and candy and hot chocolate and all that? This is what this cart reminds me of. It reminds me of a vintaged cart with the wheels, because look at the wheels here. And you guys, I put this together all by myself. And for me, that's a big deal because I always get nervous just looking at the directions. Anyway, let's get on with what I have on here. So because I decorate with a lot of purple anyway, I had this vase that I had gotten for my birthday a couple years ago with some flowers in it, and I kept it. And I put some of these roses and gypsum from the Dollar Tree. Because my decor in my living room, formal living room and formal dining room, are red, pink, and purple this year for Valentine's. So here are the roses and the gypsum. And then back here from the Dollar Tree, Dollar Spot, are those straws that I absolutely love the pattern that they have this year. And then down here is that little sign from the Target Dollar Spot with that same cute rose pattern. And then over here is just a little K-cup dispenser, and I use this for hot chocolate because I have my other one in the kitchen for coffee. And then this mug I got last year for Valentine's at Target. And then down here I just put some sprinkles, purple and pink, and here's my cinnamon. And those are on top of a couple of the hearts that I got from the Dollar Tree. And this rose I got from the Dollar Tree a couple years ago. It came in a bushel, and I just cut them apart. And then the red little hearts, I believe I got those at Dollar Tree too. I think I did. And then down here, I used to have the Princess House crystal parties, and for a hostess gift I got these Irish coffee mugs, and I thought they went so perfect, and I put them inside of a white tart dish, and then I just put some of the hearts around it. And here's that one rose that I was telling you about it in my haul that I got from the Dollar Tree. I thought it was plastic. It's glass, you guys. The whole thing is glass. How pretty. So my hot chocolate can go in these. And here's some more of those straws. And then down on the lower, it has 3 shelves, as you can see, this upper one and this round one. And then down here, these lights I got last year, and they're hearts, and I have them lit up. You can't see too well because it's daytime. And then I have my marshmallows, my hot cocoa mix, and sugar. And then here I got this chalkboard from the dollar spot. And then I just put a heart next to it from, that was from the dollar spot too at Target. And then over here some different kinds of hot cocoa. And then here are the napkins that I got with some red ones that I've had. And another mug that came from the Target dollar spot. So that is my bar cart decorated for Valentine's, and I had so much fun doing that. Also this little sign, that was from Christmas, but I kept it out. It's a hot chocolate kind of day. I like that. So I'm going to have fun with this, I know I am. So I just wanted to show you that. I love watching the videos, how people decorate their bar carts. I think it's so much fun. I just always try to find the fun in life, in the little things. So there it is, guys. I hope you like what I did with it. I can't wait to see what other people do with theirs. And pretty soon my home tour for Valentine's Day will be coming up. That's the 26th of January, so be looking out for that. And until next time, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Take care, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.